Good morning, student. Today we will take the chapter of class 10, The Midnight Visitor. The midnight, middle of the night, a person visit. This is the meaning of the title. The author of this story is Robert Arthur. Robert Arthur is a writer of speculative fiction known for his work with the Mysterious Traveler radio series. This is a little detective story and a very clever piece of writing about two secret agents who try to outwit each other. Osable is a secret agent, and in his appearance he is a fatty person and peculiar American accent in his speaking. He is an ordinary person, a lazy person, but he is very shrewd and intelligent. He knows very well how to tackle the problems. Now, the another character of this story is Fowler. Fowler, a young romantic writer, he reads a lot of books about secret agents. He had come to meet an actual secret agent, that is Osable. He had great expectation and he imagined mysterious figures in the night, the crack of pistols and drugs in the wine. When he meets Osable, he became very disappointed because his appearance is not like that. He became bored. He came there to spend evening with him. Osable told Fowler to wait for some thrilling action. Osable took Fowler to his room. At that time, a person entered. The person named Max. He entered there with his gun standing. Fowler would see a report which could change the history and for which many people had already risked their life. He asked them to be comfortable until the reports about the missiles arrived in 30 minutes, as he was there to steal the reports. Now, this is the first adventure Fowler had expected. Now, Osable started a story about the balcony and complained that it was the second time that somebody had entered his room. A person came secretly through the balcony. The balcony had become a nuisance for him, but Max reacted that he had not entered through the balcony. Generally, he used a passkey to open the door. In this way, Osable and Max talked about the balcony of next apartment. Now, Osable said that he had complained hotel management to block it, and hotel management promised to block it, but did nothing. They did nothing. When they were talking at that time, there was a sudden knock heard at the door. Osable said that it must be police. Sometimes the police came there to check him. After some time, to give extra protection, Max said that he would wait in the balcony. He threatened Osable to send them back, otherwise he would shoot them. Then the knocking became louder and louder. As the door knob is turned, Max jumps out of the windowsill, and there was a loud scream heard. Now there is a twist. The door opens. At that time, a waiter comes with a tray, a bottle of wine, and 2 glasses, which Ausable had ordered earlier. Fowler became very much surprised and he asked him about the police. Ausable said that there is no police, but Fowler said that he had asked about the person for the police, and now he also said that that person is waiting in the balcony. Ausable replied that he would never return because there is no balcony. It may be that he jumped and possibly died. Now it shows his quick wit of Ausable. The advantage took the situation. He became nervous. He made nervous to him Max. Him means Max. Ultimately, he jumped from the windowsill and possibly died. Now, student, what is the message of the story? We should not panic in any situation. Instead, we should face the situation boldly, whatever the problems or challenges we face. We should face the situation with great presence of mind. Thank you, students.